Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to use Chat, the amazing chatbot from OpenAI. In this video, I will show you how to prompt Chat correctly to get the best results from your conversations. Let's get started. Chat is a large language model that uses artificial intelligence to hold text conversations with users. It can answer questions, follow instructions, admit mistakes, challenge assumptions, and reject inappropriate requests. It can also adjust its tone, style, format, and level of detail according to the user's preferences. To use Chat, you need to access the web interface at chat.openai.com or download the iOS app from the App Store. The key to using Chat effectively is to provide clear and specific prompts that tell the chatbot what you want to talk about and how you want it to respond. A prompt is a text message that you send to Chat to start or continue a conversation. A prompt can be a question, a statement, a command, or a combination of these. Here are some examples of prompts. What is Chat and how does it work? Tell me a joke in a sarcastic tone. Write a short poem about love. Explain what is mindfulness in simple words. Generate a catchy slogan for my new product. As you can see, these prompts are concise, direct, and informative. They give Chat enough information to understand your intent and generate a relevant and coherent response. They also indicate the type of response you expect, such as a definition, a joke, a poem, an explanation, or a slogan. To make your prompts even more effective, you can use some special symbols and keywords that Chat recognizes and interprets. These symbols and keywords can help you control the length, format, style, and language of the chatbot's responses. Here are some examples of how to use them. To specify the length of the response, you can use the symbol hash followed by a number. For example, number 10 means you want a response with 10 words or less. Number 100 means you want a response with 100 words or less. To specify the format of the response, you can use the symbol at followed by a keyword. For example, at bullet means you want a response in bullet points. At table means you want a response in a table. To specify the style of the response, you can use the symbol followed by an adjective. For example, formal means you want a response in a formal tone. Funny means you want a response in a humorous tone. To specify the language of the response, you can use the symbol followed by an ISO code. For example, N means you want a response in English. Exclamation mark FR means you want a response in French. You can combine these symbols and keywords in any order and number to create more complex and customized prompts. For example, write an essay about climate change in 500 words or less in formal English. Number 500 formal. N. List 3 benefits and 3 drawbacks of technology for mental health in bullet points in simple Spanish. At bullet simple. S. Sing me a song about pizza in 20 words or less in funny Italian. Number 20 funny. It. These are just some examples of how to prompt Chat correctly to get the best results from your conversations. You can experiment with different prompts and see how Chat responds. You can also give feedback to Chat by using emojis or words like good, bad, more, or less. This will help chat learn from your preferences and improve its performance over time. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about chat. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on chat and other AI topics. Thank you for watching and see you next time.